Nursing to Nurture here, and I wanted to come to you guys today to talk about agency nursing. I have been an agency nurse for the past 4 years, so I have worked for a share of different nursing agencies, and I wanted to come on here to talk to you guys about the one I personally believe is the best one. Now, first off, there are many of nursing agencies out there, with ShiftMed, ConnectRN, and Clipboard being the most popular. But which one is the best one? Clipboard. Listen, working for Clipboard has brought me the most contentment and made me the most money. You may hear me make comparisons throughout this video between nursing agencies such as ShiftMed, ConnectRN. Again, I am comparing ConnectRN and ShiftMed to Clipboard, which is my personal favorite, only because I know ShiftMed and ConnectRN to be the most popular. Please understand that I am in no way bashing any nursing agency. This is just me sharing my experience working as an agency nurse for 4 years and why I know Clipboard to be the best one. Now, though I have been an agency nurse for 4 years, I'm just finding out about Clipboard Health last year. And after working one shift for Clipboard Health, I absolutely fell in love with that agency, and I will share why. So let's go over some experiences that I've had with Clipboard Health that has made it my favorite nursing agency by far. So first and foremost, with Clipboard Health Nursing Agency, you can get paid right away. So after you pick up a shift with Clipboard and you clock out, Clipboard Health has an option that allows you to get paid immediately after your shift. So this is called their Express Pay option. If you use the Express Pay option with Clipboard, you will literally see those funds enter your bank account in less than 1 minute. If you choose this option versus them putting the money into your account organically, they do charge you a $2 fee. But listen, $2 is nothing that I've ever squawked about. That same day pay comes in clutch. There are different agencies that offer same day pay. Clipboard, again, let me reiterate that, they will allow you to get paid right away. Now, ShiftMed does have an option that allows you to get early pay, but it's not same day pay. ShiftMed actually does next day pay. In addition to that, it's also the next business day. So if you decide to do the next day pay on a Saturday, you won't see those funds until Monday because Sunday would not be considered a business day. Also, if you do decide to use the next day pay with ShiftMed, they only give you 75% of the earnings you've made during that shift. So you won't actually get that full amount of money that you've made during your shift. The rest of your funds will be given to you on your designated payday. Now, ConnectRN, another popular nursing agency, does allow you to get same-day pay. But I'm going to be honest, you won't see those funds hit your bank account as fast as they do with Clipboard. Next is convenient clock-ins. In contrast to other nursing agencies, you have to find a supervisor to clock you in to your shift. Clipboard allows you to clock yourself in. They will verify that you made it to the workplace by using your location. You will only need a supervisor to sign you out. Another thing that I love about Clipboard Health, working for Clipboard, it is very easy to get in contact with a representative, whether it be via chat or via telephone. So again, I have worked for ShiftMed and I have worked for ConnectRN, and both agencies have very long wait times when you are waiting to talk to a representative. Now, this one, I absolutely love it. Let me tell you guys what it is. If you are picking up a shift with Clipboard Health, you do not have to wait for that shift to be approved by the nursing facility. Every shift that I have picked up with Clipboard Health, I was able to just pick up a shift and go to work. That has been a breeze. Most agencies require your shift to be approved by the nursing facility staffing coordinator or nursing supervisor first before you can go into work. Clipboard Health allows you to pick up any shift that is available on their app without it having to be approved by the facility first. And another thing that I like about Clipboard Health, let's just say that you thought you picked up a shift for next Saturday, but you picked it up for the current Saturday. As long as you cancel that shift within 5 minutes of picking it up, you can cancel it without receiving any penalties on your account. Another thing that I love about Clipboard Health, I have never had any discrepancies with my pay. So there was an instance where I was picking up extra shifts with Connect RN, and I didn't know that I was overpaid. I just so happened to look at my pay stubs and found out that they were deducting money from my paychecks. And when I reached out to someone, they told me it was because I was overpaid on one of my paychecks. With Clipboard, I have never had that experience. Everything that I was paid by Clipboard was my accurate pay. I mean, listen, agency nursing is already tough as it is. The last thing you need is to have discrepancies and inaccuracies with your pay. You just want to get what you're supposed to get. That way you don't have to worry about money being deducted from your check. And again, these are just my experiences. So this is where things get really personal and really emotional for me in terms of working for Clipboard Health. Working for Clipboard Health has helped me out in a lot of financial emergency situations. This is due to their flexibility. They have different shifts available from days, evening shifts, and night shifts. Now, many may not know, but in 2023, I went back to school and education expenses were a lot on my pockets. On top of that, by me being in school, in an accelerated program at that, I had to change my work hours from full-time to part-time. By the end of that accelerated program, my finances, my savings were depleted. Listen, at this point, we've all been through nursing school, or you may be watching this while you are a nursing student, so you get it. You understand the struggle. When I started working full-time again after I graduated the accelerated program, I used the 4 days I had off each week to work for Clipboard. Working for Clipboard helped me to build my savings and my finances back up drastically. Now, at my full-time job, I was getting paid $35 an hour. Mind you, this was my dream job, the job I could not wait to get after I finished this accelerated program. But nonetheless, I was being paid $35 an hour by that job. And again, this is $35 an hour, 12-hour shifts. Now, by working shifts with Clipboard, I was making nearly double that $35 an hour in 8 hours. Working agency shifts with Clipboard Health is a great way to generate extra income as a nurse, and I say that from experience. Working for Clipboard has definitely been a blessing from God. I mean, listen guys, the pay is so good. I barely get paid base pay, and even when I do get paid the hourly base pay, the pay is still good. Also, if you pick up urgent shifts, which are like last minute shifts or shifts that are posted closer to the start time, you'll actually get paid even more money. So again, the pay that I received by working with Clipboard Health has been better than any other agency that I've worked for. And again, I've worked for my share of nursing agencies, but I will say that Clipboard's pay is by far the best. And let me also add in that Clipboard does not just hire nurses, Clipboard hires CNAs as well. So if you are a certified nursing assistant, you definitely want to sign up for Clipboard. They do pay their CNAs really well. Another way that Clipboard allows you to generate extra income is through their referral programs. So there is their referral program where you can refer a friend, and once that friend signs up with Clipboard using your referral link, you will get paid when they work their first shift. The person that signed up for Clipboard using your link will also get paid when they work their first shift. So it's a win-win situation for both of you. So in addition to that, Clipboard has something called the Workplace Affiliate Program. So if you refer a workplace to Clipboard, you can get paid even more money. I'm talking about up to $1,000. Yes, an entire band. So what this means is if you know someone that may work in the administrative side of a hospital, a nursing home, or a long-term care facility rather, a dental clinic, a hospice center, and you tell them about Clipboard and that workplace signs up using your referral program link, you will actually get paid up to $1,000 depending on the workplace setting. And speaking of the workplace settings, that's another thing that I love about Clipboard. Clipboard Health has a wide range of healthcare settings you can pick up shifts to work at. I also love Clipboard's in-app calendar. This is a great way for you to stay organized. Their calendar will allow you to see all available shifts, and any shifts that you picked up to work will display in green. So this is again a great way for you to stay organized so you can have a clear and full view of all of the days and shifts that you picked up to work. Another thing that I love about Clipboard Health, if you pick up a shift at a workplace, Clipboard will actually show show you the other Clipboard employees that you will be working with at that facility. And honestly, it's really fun being able to see other Clipboard employees that are working the same shift as you at the same place. I feel like this is a feature that allows you to easily network with other nursing professionals. It also allows you to get familiar with names and faces. And honestly, I could go on and on about all of the things that I love about working with Clipboard Health, from the priority shifts. I could even talk about how I love that they allow their employees to rate and review job sites after we've worked our first shift there. I mean, the list could go on as to why Clipboard is my favorite nursing agency. But I'm going to be honest, if I do, this video probably would be an hour-long video. I want you guys to sign up for Clipboard Health and see for yourself why it is my favorite nursing agency. If you guys look down below in the description box, you will find the link to sign up for Clipboard Health. And please make sure you copy and paste that referral code, because that referral code will allow you to receive a bonus once you work your first shift with Clipboard. So if you are a nurse or CNA and you want to make some good money with Clipboard Health, I want you guys to click on the description box below this video and sign up for Clipboard using the link. If you are a certified nursing assistant that's currently in nursing school, listen, those good paying shifts will definitely come in handy while you are paying for nursing school expenses. Agency nursing is already tough. It comes with its own stressors. Just having to go into a workplace and easily adapt is tough in itself. So you definitely want to work for an agency that takes all of those unnecessary loads off of you. Knowing that you have support, knowing that you can easily talk to someone at the agency you are working for, definitely makes things a little bit easier, and it definitely takes a lot of stress off of you. You guys know I have been on YouTube since 2018, so quite some time. And I would not just come on here and start telling you guys about a random agency. I am telling you guys about this agency because I also want you guys to experience what it's like working for a supportive and well-structured nursing agency. And I also want to share with my awesome subscribers an opportunity to make some really good money. So you can click the link in the description down below and sign up. I'll also make sure I pin it in the comments. Work your first shift and come back to this video and let me know how it went. Alright everyone, so that brings this video to an end. And be sure to share this video with someone you may know that may also be interested in agency nursing. Remember guys, to never give up, and as always, thanks for watching.